Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to write a Python program to check the internet speed. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. Import speed test. Simple. Now I will create one function here. Def convert bytes to MB. This function basically will use to convert the bytes into MB. KB value okay. KB value. KB equal to 1024. MB equal to KB into 1024. So in 1 KB we have a 1024 bytes. Now we will return the converted MB. So simple, write like this: return, just copy this KB value and divide by MB. Now we need to round off this, just round this up to 2 decimal. Simple. Now I will use try, print. I will inform Athav your internet speed check process has started. Simple. Close this. Now I will use one variable here st and use this speed test dot, just make it large s. Simple. Now we will get the all the servers st dot get servers. Now we will get the best server from these servers dot get best server. Simple. Now we will uh, give the notification to user we have found the best server like this. Print best server found. Simple. Server name equal to st dot results st dot results dot server. Simple. Now we will print the sponsor name using this. Print f sponsor is like this. Just copy this best server name in single quote. Sponsor. ठीक है? Okay. We will print the server name, best server name. Formatted string best server name is, just copy this and paste in single quotes name. Simple. Now if you want to print the country, then do it like this. F server location. Just copy this, change this to country. Close this. Server location is simple. Now we will check the download speed using like this. DL speed equal to st dot download. Simple. Now we have to convert this download speed into MB using this function. Just copy this. MB PS. Simple. Now we need to print this. Print your download speed is Mbps. Okay, simple. Now we need to know the upload speed. Just copy this, all three, and paste here. Just change this D to U upload, and change this download to upload. Simple. And copy this and paste here. Simple. Now this copy here and just change download to upload. Simple. Now we will print the ping time. Print f ping time is t dot results dot ping. If you want to round this also, you can round up to 2 decimal place. And unit is milliseconds. Simple. Now we will inform user and print author your internet speed test is now completed. Simple. Accept exception H E X print the exception. If any exception will occur in this process, we will return the exception. An unexpected error occurred while processing. Just show the exception. Copy this and paste it. Simple. Close this. Let me run this and see the output. Oops, there is an error here. I have not closed best server name sponsor. Okay, let me fix it. Rerun this again and see. Author, your internet speed check process. See the output. Best server found. Sponsor is this one. And server name is this one. And server location is India. And download speed 19.74. And upload speed is 7.48 Mbps. And ping time is 77.96 millisecond. And Athaf, your internet speed test is. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.